everybody, so this is Ellie with Alabama Extension, continuing our little series on how to make fresh sausage. So really quickly we're going to go over everything you need to make the fresh sausage. So like I said in the previous video, we have our lug of meat. Today we're going to grind up Boston butts, but overall you can use whatever meats you want. You can cut the entire pig up and grind it. You could just do certain pieces. Really it's just kind of your leftover pieces that have been cut off that you don't want to throw away. You can grind it into sausage. It's normally recommended that you do about a 70-30, so 70% lean, 30% fat, or an 80-20, so 80% lean, 20% fat. But ultimately that's up to you of how much fat you'd like in it. But I would suggest not putting any more than 50% fat in it. In addition to that, you want to have a seasoning. We bought some seasoning, but you can also make your own. There are multiple recipes online. If you need suggestions, call the extension office. We might find you some good ones. But next, we're going to get into grinding all of this.